Plastic. Virtually unbreakable polycarbonate construction. Designed for easy and fast installation, simply screw the mounting plate onto the wiring device. No visible screws. Mid-size to cover wall imperfections and large wallboard openings. Easy to clean. Packaging may vary, formerly Cooper wiring devices. Screw-less mid-size wall plate, virtually unbreakable and present a clean, minimalist look that can be changed in seconds. Easy installation, simply screw the mounting plate onto the wiring device and press into place. 4.875 by 3.125. The Eaton PJS26W is a one-gang, mid-sized wall plate. It's made of a durable polycarbonate that is virtually unbreakable and resists abrasion and impact damage. The Eaton wall plate comes in a white, high-gloss finish that is soil-resistant. It provides an easy installation that obscures screws through a proprietary screw catch design. Top reviews from the United States. Great looking. These were the perfect touch to my bathroom remodel. Looked great and the price was perfect.